For many years, the world of AI has only one king, Python. It was simple, it had endless libraries, and everyone agreed it was the best. But what if I told you the next big change in AI has nothing to do with Python? Everyone thought Java was a boring language for big company software. You know, reliable and strong, but not cool. Well, that's about to change. Java 25 was released in September 2025 and it's a big deal. A quiet revolution has been happening and new AI features in Java are going to change everything. Let's be honest, Python became the king of AI for a reason. It wasn't a fluke. If you have done any machine learning, you know the big names. TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. The whole system is amazing and it lets developers build things super fast. Plus, the language is super easy to read, which is perfect for scientists and researchers who think in math, not in complicated code. So, for a long time, if you wanted to do AI, you had to use Python. The community was huge, there was tutorials everywhere, and the libraries did the hard work for you. This created a cycle. More developers means better tools, and better tools brought in more developers, and it seemed like nothing could ever challenge Python. But while Python was the star of AI show, millions of Java developers were just watching from the side. These are the guys who build the most important systems in the world. Think banking, online shopping, delivery services. They are the system that just cannot fail. For these developers, the AI boom was both exciting and very frustrating. The story was always the same. You build a super strong, fast Java application, but as soon as you need to add an AI model, you hit a wall. You were forced to leave your comfortable Java world and enter Python territory. Switching between languages isn't just annoying, it completely breaks your workflow. You have to manage two different languages, two different tool sets, and two different way of thinking. You end up making these weak connections between your strong Java system and separate Python AI service, just hoping nothing breaks. It felt like you have a first-class language for business but second-class language for future of tech. But that all changes now. With Java 25, things are different. Oracle and Java community, they heard all the complaints and their answer is massive. Java is not just connecting AI anymore, it is becoming the powerful engine to run AI directly. The message is simple. You don't have to automatically choose Python for your first AI product anymore. Java is bringing its famous stability and strength and mixing it with the whole new set of powerful tools for AI. So what are these new tools? It's not just one big feature, but mix of powerful upgrades that work together. First, the biggest change of all, the Vector API. Imagine your normal code works on single lane road, processing one piece of data at a time. The Vector API is like 16-lane superhighway. It lets Java perform calculation on huge amounts of data all at once. Why this is a big deal? Because AI and machine learning all are about doing tons of calculation in parallel. The API lets Java get the same kind of raw speed that Python libraries get by using C++ in the background. Next, we have structured concurrency. Now running many tasks at the same time in code gets very messy, especially in AI. Structured concurrency fixes this by treating a whole group of tasks like a single job. If one small part fails, the entire job is stopped cleanly. For the AI service that's handling many requests at once, this is a revolutionary feature. It makes your code much safer, way easier to fix when something goes wrong. But all this power is useless if it is not efficient. And that's bring us to memory. A key update is something called compact object headers. In simple words, Java has made the extra data attached to every object smaller. This alone can cut down memory usage by 10 to 20%. When you are working with huge AI models, this is massive saving. It means you can fit more data in your memory, reduce delays, and even lower your server costs. Now, these features don't replace AI libraries. Instead, they make them faster and more powerful. The real magic happens when you use these new Java features with frameworks like Spring AI and LangChain4j. These frameworks are quickly getting better and bringing the power of generative AI directly into Java. So what does this mean? Should you uninstall Python? No, of course not. Python is still the king for research and trying out new ideas and for building quick prototypes. But the discussion has completely changed now. The old idea that serious AI must be built in Python is now wrong. For millions of Java developers building the world's most important systems, the game has changed. They can now build powerful AI features directly inside your existing Java applications. No more messy connections to Python. This is the main point. Java's biggest strengths, being stable, scalable, and secure, are now combined with top-level performance for AI. So when an AI model is ready to go from a simple experiment to real-world global application, Java is a very strong choice. So no, Python is not going anywhere, but Java is not just watching from the sidelines anymore. The release of Java 25 marks its official entry as a serious competitor for production AI. The world of software just got a lot more interesting, and I don't think the Python world was ready for this challenge. This was just a quick overview of huge change. If you want to see a deep dive video, let me know in the comments below. Are you a Java developer who is excited to finally use AI, or do you think Python will be king forever? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.